Hi, Smita.
Hey, hi, Nirupa.
Yeah, hi, Smita. You want to share your screen?
Yeah, let me try.
Hey, Prakshu.
Hi, Nirupa, Smita.
Hi.
Long time, Prakshu. How are you?
I am good. You?
I'm fine, Prakshu. So, did you save this? You
I
first
tried to save,
you
see,
cancel, and you do enable. We are not doing any editing.
yeah, see, what is this? Like,
Content some record have not been opened. Would you like to view this file next time?
yes,
Okay, you can say yes, I want to view them later, and okay.
yeah,
Okay, and now save as. Some name,
wait,
.csv. Whatever name you want, you can put them and .csv.
here, okay. What is
Anyway,
this?
but keep remember where you saved it. We picked out that Kickstarter project. Where is it
Let me see.
initially?
Right. Yeah, that one. See. Sorry, could not project. It's possible. It
Not fine.
was moved and rename or delete. What is that?
No, did you open it now, Smita?
I did. I don't know where it's from.
Okay, you minimize this one first.
Yeah, this one.
Open it.
Yeah. See.
Okay, let me do one thing. I can share it here for you. You download it. Mm. Why it is not showing? Okay. I already. Where is this key? Okay. I sent a file in this group chat. You download it and save it, Smita.
I didn't find yet.
Really, it's coming. It's still.
Why? But it's not opening here. I'm just thinking.
Close it and open. Close the Excel. And open again. But we saw it in C folder. Let's go to C folder once.
No, it's not so. Where's my Excel?
Can you go to the C? Okay.
Not here.
Not here. Okay. Okay. Where did you save that adventure thing?
Excel. I don't know what's happened here. So now.
Hi, Nirupa.
Hi, Gayatri.
No, I'm Ramya.
I
I have
think
a question. Did you change the CSV file to anything?
No, I saved it as CSV and then I imported as a flat file in this Server Studio.
Okay. Okay.
That's what we are doing here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Smita, I think it, I sent it here. If you find it, you download it, Smita.
Okay, got it. Kickstart save. Already exit. Okay.
Already exist.
Just try to search that
Yeah.
file.
I don't know why it's not saying here.
Okay, open Excel once. We will trace it back from there. Open Excel once.
Actually, are you trying to import Excel in a flat file?
CSV.
Okay.
We didn't find it, Gayatri. It is the file itself we are not finding. Not here, Smita, not here.
Open here.
No, open Excel once.
But how like?
Just
Okay.
MS
No,
Excel.
open Excel once.
Mm-hmm.
You opened it sometime back, right? It's
It
not
is in your documents. Open your documents folder.
no, actually it's trying to open in a CSV format or what something it's doing.
But it is saying that this file is deleted or
Oh.
moved. So
Yeah, let's see.
first she have it or
Here
not.
it is.
It's
Here
here.
it is. Kickstarter,
Fourth one.
Advika Gupta, Data Analytics, Excel. That's the file. That's the path we have to remember.
Actually, my kids change all my setting. I don't know what they did.
So don't copy anything. Remember just this one. You open it from here. You opened, right? Save it as
Yeah.
CSV. Save it as CSV. File. Save as. Change the name little to shorter form, like Kickstarter or something.
It is already a CSV file. No, I don't think so. You have to change.
It's already CSV file.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, just give me a few more minutes. I'm just
Yes.
in an important call.
Okay, if it is already a CSV file, leave it like that. Let's go back to the management studio. Okay. Already click on the down, already import as flat file. It's there. We will, if you take your, no, Smita, you
Here?
point your cursor on the, okay, task, import flat file. Now next, here browse, you remember that thing, Advika Gupta, where it is? Documents.
Or can we like
Yeah, paste it. Now, no. Excel, no, it didn't copy the full thing. So let's see users is Smita. Okay, can you browse? Click on the browse.
let me
Click
I
on.
think- what is that? Oh, it's closed everything.
No, it's okay. Click on browse. Now C colon. Users. Yeah, press on users. Here, Smita, data analytics. Here,
It's-
Excel. And
Yeah.
here,
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
okay, start it. And next,
please check if
yeah,
it
close the Excel file. Say okay and close the Excel file. Your Excel file is already open, right? Close it.
So I have to close that. Okay.
Close it.
Right.
Just say, okay, I'll view later and say, oh,
What is that?
no, Smita, just click on, yes, we want to view later and close it. And now next.
Next
Yeah,
again.
this is how it's showing you the preview. What columns are there? What is the data is inside that? It's just showing first 50 rows, not the whole thing.
Okay.
Next.
So that,
Next. And yeah, leave it as it is and say next. Say finish. And we wait.
yes.
And now press on error.
It's happened with you as well, right? Then
So, yeah, it took for more than half a day for me to.
No, this happened actually. One particular data, it will be like small.
Mhm.
I
So
think you change the type to int or something. The size was not compatible or something. So
Value was either too
too
large.
small.
Which
Error.
column it is showing?
The value is small.
Mm-hmm.
So you should make the
Convert.
small into be the Bacchus, I hope. Change that Bacchus data type to be int. You just go back.
Go back.
Go-
Previous.
Just stop here. No.
Next.
Okay. Then
Bacchus, there is small int, right? Just
Small
change
int. Bacchus column is there, right? Small int.
I
Column name, in the column name, you will find Bacchus.
yeah,
one,
backers.
And you
small
change the integer type. Press on it.
integer. Okay. Here. Now.
That's it. Just go. Next, you will get another error, I hope. You just want to read the result and find what are the things you have to change it.
In progress.
It will take little time, but
Oh, again
now
error.
error. Yeah, press on error.
So error inserting data into table.
Yeah.
Column name does not allow.
Okay, go back.
between them.
Go back. Back and name. In name, where is name? Allow nulls. No, don't change it.
Don't change the data type. Actually, did you understand the error message, what it was throwing up? It
Yeah,
is
it
showing
was-
that you have not enabled the option of allow nulls. It seems that particular column has a value with
Null
the
values.
null
Yeah.
value, has a null value. So it is, but we have been given that it should not allow nulls. So there is a contradictory message. So you just want to make it enable that allow nulls.
This
for me.
allow nulls is there, right? Check. No,
And
not there, not
don't
there.
change the data type. Just go to
So-
that allow.
Say allow nulls and you click on the checkbox.
Check.
Smita.
Okay. Allow
Last column.
here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now next.
Okay, let's work now.
Good.
Success.
Yeah, close.
Close.
And on that adventure data works, you press right click and refresh.
Now I can see like tables and all.
Yeah, tables. You will find
Oh,
that
Oh,
some.
yeah. Thank you so much, guys.
So no, see, Smita, did you see it created a database named Kick? See here. Down, yeah, there. See Kick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
You
Yeah.
press it, you open the columns, see the columns.
Yeah.
These are all columns which it
Mhm.
created. Now open Power BI and now you get the data from here, there.
Oh, okay. So we have to connect both like okay.
Nirupa, can you show here how to connect?
Where in the
Yeah, from here now how to connect
so
that
now
database?
here get data
Okay,
Go
I'm
in
in where?
file or
Yeah.
get
Here?
data
Mm-hmm.
and
SQL server.
Okay, press it. You have to give your credentials here. It will ask for the credentials. Go back to that
Okay.
Adventure Works Microsoft Management Studio.
Yeah.
You find connect, right? Click on it.
Mhm.
Connect.
Mm-hmm.
Click on it. No, click on the connect.
Here.
Yeah, connect. Okay.
Give database engine, give database engine.
Yeah, database engine. And this part, right? The copy it. And you paste it there. In the Power BI.
And
Okay.
then okay.
Connect. You're unable to using an
And then you have to access this data source using the in private connected.
Just give okay, just give okay.
We could not. Please try again.
No, you cannot give that. Actually, go back once. No, just. Mm,
This is
I use as an administrator. Let me check.
so. This is connecting, right? Why that is not taking? Okay.
just go again to the same place, like a SQL server. Yeah.
Hmm.
Right, give the server name. Just try to give direct query. Just first give direct query. Try giving direct. Yeah, just try. Okay. Just try giving connect.
Connect.
Mhm.
So his did
Use alternate. Okay.
if you give a username here, do you know the password, Smita?
That's my husband. I think. Yeah.
It will not take it.
Yeah.
This
No,
will
no,
not
username was something different.
different. It is something
Yeah.
with Rahul or something. It is there.
Yeah, it was different.
He should.
Even if you give your username here, you should be able to give password. Do you remember the password?
No, I don't remember. I need to call him. It's my not my computer. Okay, but I understand how to import that.
No,
So-
but if you can
Mm.
open it only, you can do something after opening.
I will do that. Like maybe I have to.
Maybe you can ask sir once he's back.
Yeah. Maybe. Yes. Now I'm stop sharing so you guys can. Mhm.
Hey, hi all. Good evening.
Good morning, sir.
Right. Anyone started the project?
I started, but I think, I don't know, because of the huge data or something, it is taking a lot of time, sir. And it took me more than half day to fix the issues.
Yes. In real time also it will be like
Yeah,
that. Half
no,
day is a
no,
very less time.
like from Saturday, the thing is, when I'm doing in Management Server Studio, there are some errors, but if I'm trying to do it in SQL, MySQL, I already have all the drivers and everything which are already downloaded, but I
Mhm.
couldn't get it from MySQL. It is asking for the connectors which are already existing. I couldn't do it from there. So that's what I'm asking for help yesterday, but somehow sitting for a long time, I could connect through Management Server Studio, SQL Server Studio, but not with
Oh.
MySQL.
Okay.
And even the data in the Power BI, it is, for me, it is opening only in table format for visualizations, not in anything else. I don't know why.
What's your concern?
In the visuals, when I'm trying to do it in a pie chart or something, it is not showing, sir, like maybe because of the huge data.
Can you please show once? Can you please share your screen once?
Okay.
Any other one? Gayatri, Rakshu, Ramya, Smita, Taru.
I tried to import and I was able to make visualizations with that.
Okay,
Yeah.
just
Can
directly
you,
visualizations.
sir,
You didn't loaded it to
No, no,
database.
no. No, I loaded it to my MS SQL and from there I loaded to Power BI and then again I started my visualization.
Okay, right.
sir, you show like doing something. I'll try it. If I'm not getting, then I will, I will show I will share the screen, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get.
I mean, what I'm saying is, can you show doing something using the data, like you
Okay,
ask a questions or something. If I'm not getting, then maybe I will show
okay,
a screen.
okay, right. Now, what's our okay? Each and everyone started with the Kickstart project, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone understand the context of the data?
It's like,
Actually, like,
yeah, go ahead, Gayatri.
yeah, you go ahead. It's like, what is that? It's like, how to say that?
Business ideas, like entrepreneurial ideas, and
Form
that idea should be backed up with the particular goal of amount. It is seeing like how many backers are there, and if it reached that particular specific goal, if it is reaching the goal, then the project is going alive and the status is changing to success, otherwise cancelled or pending. That's what I understood.
Is it kind of like sponsors, right? So for
Yeah,
we're like,
sponsoring
yeah,
for the business ideas
yeah.
from
kind of.
different categories of life, like art, technology, food and fashion related, everything.
Any other perceptions about the data?
No, so it's like pledging for a project or like something like what to say, like bidding for a bidding. How would you say that?
Okay.
For project kind of thing.
Okay. If the people, I'm just. Can you please make a note of approximately 10 or 15 questions? You need to find out answer for those things.
Okay. So when are we going to start with the DAX, sir? I'm just
DAX, you're creating this particular thing, right? In this, there is no ER diagrams. You're not able to create. You're not going to create any ER things, and you're not going to do any manipulations in this particular thing. We'll
Okay.
create visualizations and along with an understanding and DAX.
okay.
We'll see all those three things.
Okay.
Each and everyone implemented the basic DAX, did experimentation with the basic DAX.
No, sir, you didn't start DAX for us.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
in our
For
batch,
Gayatri
nothing
and all, in
happened.
their batch, you took 2 classes. But for
Okay,
us,
okay, right.
yeah.
No problem. Today we're going to cover the first question. How many categories? I'm going to select. A goal is represented in which format?
How many goals?
So float,
Goal is represented in which format?
That is a question.
Yes.
goal float, sir. You take asking type, data type.
I'm asking goal is represented in which format? That is nothing but the target, right? Targeted amount, right?
Yeah. Goal is its currency.
Yes, it is a currency.
Hmm.
How many different categories they are concentrating?
So these are questions.
Yes,
Okay, okay. We want to answer or we have to note it down.
yes. You need to note it down. If you know the answer, you can immediately tell. Otherwise, you can note it down.
How many categories they are concentrating on?
And is there any goals which are related to e-commerce? Nearer to e-commerce?
Mm.
One more time, which goal?
Which is there any goal which is related to e-commerce?
E-commerce.
Okay. And if I ask you to segregate main category, you're able to see on my screen
The
So,
third question is,
what in the main category. If
What
you're
is the main-
considering, if you are considering the main category and main category, two are there. Category 3D printing and academic. Main category art, comics, craft, dance. Why art is more?
so I couldn't get the question. Okay, once again.
You're able to see on my screen, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, these are all categories.
Why art is
Sum
more?
of goal.
What is your intuition on it?
Why are?
Why this is used compared to remaining three?
Might be
Why
by,
this is more long comparative to these remaining three coordinates?
can you just have the pointer on that blue column, sir? Can we just take it up? On blue, on top of this blue.
Can you right click on it, sir?
So category 3D printing category in art is very huge, sir. Might be it has so many records.
Hmm.
3D printing category in art section is like that is art is main, right? In art main category, this category 3D printing, it occupies the more number of records.
Okay. And now, which one are related to living beings?
Which
Living,
Which are living or which are biological, like humans, pets,
the animals,
animals,
animals?
Animals are there.
Unrelated.
Anthology. Anthologies. ये पता नहीं, कौन? Okay. Bacon seems like.
What are all the categories there?
Okay.
There are animals are there.
Bacon,
Hmm.
mythology, animals.
So can you click the arrow after calendars?
Bacon,
Hmm.
cookbooks,
No, down in categories.
country and folk. That is dance.
At where?
Farmers markets are there. Farms are there.
Category.
At
Connected
here
to.
you're saying.
Yes, sir. No, I was just checking the categories in my list.
Categories.
So like related to living things, right? You are asking in the
Yes,
cell.
right. Yes,
Like
right.
Mythology,
families, their family, farmers market, farms.
blue, bacon,
Faith is also kind of related to human being. Faith, drinks.
Okay.
country
Okay,
and
okay.
folk.
Now, anyone, if anyone are in the
Family.
visualization part, can you please try to create a presentation? Okay, not more than 5 slides.
Okay.
Okay, and along with that, you need to remember, if you are presenting some work to the customer or work to the client,
Mm.
you are in a position to answer and explain each and every term in that particular project.
Okay.
You don't need to be master in it, but you need to know the exact meaning of the things which are utilized in that. For example, as a software engineers, if we don't know about the computer, how it is working, is it a meaningful work what we are doing?
No.
If you don't know what is the processor and what is its purpose, I'm not asking the designing and all those things. If we don't know about the processor and its capacity, RAM and its capacity, is it a good way of working?
No.
It may be a what type of domain it is? Healthcare, commerce, banking, finance, whatever it may be. That's the second thing. The only thing is you need to remember. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The people who didn't started, can you please continue with that?
So right now we have to create a dashboard kind of thing you're saying. We have to create a
Yes,
page.
yes. And guys, remember one thing. Don't depend for, especially for Power BI, don't depend on any Stack Overflow or all those things. Why? Because each and every month you're going to change or add with some new features. Maybe previously it may be a very big difficult task, but maybe now that is easily available. You need to follow the Power BI community,
Hmm.
and along with that, Power BI documentation. Okay?
Okay.
These are the two trustworthy resources for all of you. Is it clearly?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just 1 second. I'll go back. You're able to see my screen?
Power BI doc.
Some paint document here.
Yes. Okay. Now, Gayatri, just be patient for 5 10 more minutes. We're going to discuss a little bit related to that tax thing
Okay, sir.
and measures and uh,
Okay, sir. I'll,
the-
I'll work on it. You just
uh,
just
right. Nirupa, we discussed about difference between the measure and
No, sir.
uh, column.
No. We didn't start with the DAX at all, sir. We are,
Okay, right. DAX. Okay. DAX is fine. But before that, what I'm
no,
asking.
we didn't discuss about measures or columns or calculated columns or tables, sir, nothing.
Okay, right. About the tables, we no need to discuss anything. But coming to measures, for example, what is measure and what is a calculated field and what is a column and what are the math functions
Math
and
function
what
or
is
map function, sir?
mathematics.
Okay.
What it is it actually? Okay, tell me some mathematical functions, you know.
Like
Mm,
sum or aggregate, sir, that functions. Or sum
Sum, count, distinct,
max, min,
minimum,
divide,
max.
count row, distinct. These.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent.
Division. Yeah,
Count row.
Those are arithmetic operations, right?
yes.
Mhm.
Arithmetic operations. What are arithmetic operations? And what is this? What is this expression?
Exponential.
Right. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Now,
Mhm.
these are the arithmetic operations. And comparison operators.
Equal to, greater than or less
Okay.
than.
Yeah, greater, less, equal.
Equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less
Less
than or
than.
equal to. What is the symbol?
Which one? Not equal to.
In Python, you will use this also,
Mhm.
right?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
And ampersand.
This
What?
one?
What is the next one, sir? That's used for concatenation. Ampersand.
Yes. Double ampersands.
Mhm.
What is the purpose of the double ampersands? Okay, double pipeline.
Or
You know, yes, or. Now, these are the basic functions.
So one more time, what did you say for double ampersand? Or which one? Double ampersand signs.
Double ampersand will be used to, for example, this is one expression. Sorry. This is one expression. This is another expression. to use these two expressions, we'll use double ampersand. This is also logical expression. This is also logical expression. But actually and is nothing but these between two simple. These are somewhat some conditions. But these are also the logical expressions. Then you're going to use double ampersand for the purpose of the and condition.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear for each and everyone?
Mhm.
Clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now, okay. From where I need to start? Okay. I'll give you a complete overall things, and then we'll go practically one by one.
Okay.
Each and everyone will know how to perform the sum, how to perform the average, how to perform max, and what is the meaning of it, and minimum, how to perform divide, how to perform count. What is the difference between sum and count?
S- Count means it is counting how many are there. Sum means it will add up.
That that one and this one both are add up only, right?
Hmm. Like
In some, it will add the values.
What is the difference between sum and count? And these are the just a common examples. For example, if you
Hmm.
speak about some complicated examples, some average max x, min x, see this one, rank x and count x. These are the math and stat functions, guys.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now, previously we discussed logical, right? Each and everyone, I hope remember what are the different logical functions you used in Python. What are the logical functions?
True, false, if, and, or, not.
And, or, not,
True,
true,
false,
false, and that.
If
or, okay, what is it? If,
error.
If error, okay, these are logical. For example, now if you see text functions, in text, what are what type of different text functions you use?
trim, length,
left,
river,
left, trim, right,
Concatenate.
trim.
Concatenate,
Upper, lower.
format, upper, lower, and proper. Okay. And text functions. In text, what we'll do generally?
Place.
Replace, repeat, substitute, trim, and what's the okay, that's it. And so if you have some other functions based on your requirement which are uh, suitable in this, either that feature is newly available or not available, or maybe you don't get an opportunity to utilize that particular type. Is it clear? Now we have two other categories. Filter functions. We'll create relations, right?
Hmm.
Those relations are based on the primary key, and the secondary key will be available in different tables, and based on the requirement and what type of data we want to see and we want to check. But here, if you observe, filter function. One name is filter. And all, except all,
Related.
distinct, trim. Okay. And another important category of things are date and time functions. In data and time functions, you need to remember system. For example, here you're able to see some specific date. That is not because of you. That is a system default date. Okay, first, most of the times we'll use date diff. Okay, and year fractional, year, month, date. So these are this particular category of these things. Now I'll tell you, these are the different functions, normal functions. Now, if you use time function, or basic date function, for example, if you want to fetch the current date, what you need to do? What you're going to do? You'll have a default function today
Today.
or now.
Hmm.
Okay, this one will be useful for you if you want to calculate the time difference between the two specific timelines.
So here do we have that sys date and calendar date?
Sorry?
I mean, do we use like sys date and calendar date?
Yes, why?
Also-
Because once you build the dashboard, each and every time you're not going to change the dates. For example, if you schedule a job, okay, I want tomorrow, I want my dashboard ready with the up to yesterday's data. Then how it will know? It need to gather all the information until now or until then. Here, the requirement of the now is very huge and will use in a lot of situations. Why? Because to fetch a record, instantaneous record, or to identify the today's records, you can able to easily use it, and you need to use this thing. Okay. Now, so I'll share you the documentation with you. But before that, well, for example, substitute will be there. What is the meaning of it?
What is that, sir?
Substitute.
That
What it will do?
it will replace kind of thing if the main thing is not available.
With which text? And this is the old text. And this is test. Is it clear? This is the text, what you're writing, and this is the old text. Old, and this is the new text.
So the substitute function will come under string function, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Here you need to, string is in Python
Text, okay.
text.
Okay.
Okay. And 1 second, I'll try to. You can just see I shared some specific link.
Oh, yeah.
Can you please open it?
Yes.
Don't be confused. The first thing which you need to follow in your organization, what is the version they are using? Is there any existing functionalities are changing when any upgrading is happening? Those are the two things which you need to remember. For example, the courses which are shaded here are completely free or paid.
Free.
You're able to see? And each and every time, defaultly, it will be updated with its services. If you're not able to
Are
update
you
it, or
showing anything on your screen, sir?
Yeah, we cannot see anything.
no, I opened the site, right? You're not able to see?
No. Now we can see.
See this one. Whenever you feel comfortable and whenever you have time or whenever you have a real requirement to learn each and everything, it doesn't give any use for you. Okay. Whichever the traffic you will feel difficult, you can take the help of this. I'm already shared in it, and along with that, try to follow the documentation only. Okay. Now I'll tell you what is a measure and what is a column.
Column
Well,
means, yeah, you carry on, sir.
no problem. You can tell me. You
So
can just
measure is something which we will create depending upon like aggregations. Like if we want to calculate or do some calculations or aggregations, we will create a measure. Like, like for validating data or checking the data, like cross verifying for such, and it will not take any memory whenever we open the slide and add the measure and check it there. When you're adding it to the visualizations, then only it will get triggered. But for the columns, we are concatenating two columns and deriving a new one. Such things, we are creating a new column depending upon the already existing columns. That will take memory space, and that will take the memory space. So it is like creating a new column, and the space will always be required to create a column. And also for the measures, a sigma kind of thing, signal will be there, like a sign beside the measures which we create and already for the inbuilt measures.
okay.
That's all, sir. That's all I understood. That's what I understood.
Okay. In columns, what type of things will be used? In measures, what type of things will be used and what type of manipulations will be used? What are called? Is columns and measures both are utilized DAX? Both will be utilizing the DAX.
Yes, sir. Actually, both will be. So basically, DAX is used for creating a measures, calculated columns, and mainly DAX is used for that with the syntaxes, like with all the functions which you showed. So both, and for your question, both will be utilizing DAX.
Okay. In this, which one is restricted to a single table and which one is
That part,
restricted?
I didn't go into that further. No.
Okay.
Column is
Column.
restricted for single.
Yes, column is restricted for the table itself.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Table is restricted for example, if I want to say it in a small way, column is calculated field, right? Measure is also a calculated field. But here the thing which you need to remember and which you need to think, column is restricted at the table level and measure will be at a bigger level, at a bigger node. At a bigger node. Now,
So you're saying if we create a measure, we can use it in multiple tables. It is not restricted to a single one.
Yes, not tables, multiple dashboards you can utilize.
Okay.
Okay. And what is the meaning of dimension? We discussed initial days. What is the meaning of dimension?
It is dimensions or they are not like whatever like the text fields or something. It is not like we can't do aggregations on that.
We can't do.
Aggregations kind of thing on that.
Okay.
So can you please tell like so the calculated column will be restricted to a table, right?
Yes, absolutely. That is the case, right?
Okay.
Column.
Okay.
Even though if it is a calculated, DAX means what?
Using the syntaxes and creating our own
No. What is the expression of the DAX?
data analytics expression.
What question you're asking now?
No, I'm asking, I'm just making note of what you said. So measure will be playing a bigger role and it is not restricted, can be used in multiple dashboards.
Yes, right.
Okay, no, I'm just being clear, that's all, sir. So calculated column, we can't use in multiple dashboards, no, sir?
Yes. Calculated column will be restricted to that particular specific table. Why? Because in a table, for example, date of birth and date of death are there. By using or by utilizing those two tables, age is captured.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Now, can you please try to perform simple calculations with help of the DAX? You know how to write a formula? How you will write formulas in Excel?
sir, can you show creating one measure, one calculated column and all so that we can practice it?
Okay, sure. Okay, see here. This is the table, right?
Hmm.
This is the table of information. Okay. Over there in it. Remya, how you are going to create a column? Remya,
There is new column. Mm.
We have to select the column and right click and select the new column from that.
for example, here I'm selecting quantity. You're able to see
Mhm.
New column is
new measure and new column. You're able to see both, right? New
Mhm.
column. Here, what I'm mentioning it here, new column. What is this particular column name? We'll keep afterwards.
Mm.
It is nothing but double to the quantities.
Quantity.
Double to the
Mm.
in Excel. What is the difference? In Excel, directly you will start formulas from 0, double equal to. But
Mhm.
here, you will include that column also. For example, here, if you're able to see, you got the data.
to odd. S-
This is a column.
Yeah.
Sir, can you also give tell so the naming conventions, can we start off like the naming conventions, like when we are writing the DAX syntax, how to with the table name and the basic stuff, sir?
Yes, you can do. And one more thing, sales a new measure. In that measure, same, this is the thing. What I'm expecting, zero 0.5% into 0.5 means 50% discount into profit. Come on.
Fail to remove.
You're able to see? Anywhere you're able to see? Where you're able to see? On the
Measurement.
screen, on the entire screen.
You will see here, sir, in the orders, right hand side, in the data, you'll see the measure, but not in the table.
Wherever and whatever we are doing it here, if it is coming back and it is associating with it, definitely it need to be there with us. Okay. Now, please go through this link. It will be helpful for your our next classes. And share it in our WhatsApp group also. Uh, Especially in the site, you will get explanations in an understandable way and in a simpler way. Okay. Is it clear for each and everyone? Hello.
Sir, what did you say?
I shared one link.
Yeah, I opened it, sir.
Those are questions and the answers will be simply and explainable.
Okay,
Okay, please go through that.
okay.
And okay, and we'll do the particular thing. We'll do adding a new column, adding a new measure, and updating a measure, and creating dimensions, and we'll do these things. But before that, try to remember as much as DAX. and try to go with it syntaxes. There is not that much big. Like Excel, if you're trying to type the formula, you will get it. But the only thing is, if you know, okay, the type of DAX is there, this type of DAX is there, then at least we can able to give our best try. Okay. Most probably, we're going to by end of the tomorrow session, you will get a clarity. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Good night.